You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this surname. This is also a brand name. As a surname, it's of Scottish origin, apparently. If you want to learn more Irish, Scottish, Gaelic, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. In English, it's usually pronounced as Ayres, not Iris. Ayres. Some may say a bit more as Ayres, but generally Ayres. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.